What up, guys? Welcome back to the Rolling Grill. Today we got a quick, short video. Blacken catfish, baby. Can never go wrong with some blacken catfish. I'm gonna put it on a little leftover dirty rice. So y'all stay tuned and welcome back to the Rolling Grill. Yeah, boy. All right, guys, got some wild caught catfish here. Got it at the farmer's market. As you can see, these are super long. So I'm gonna cut these in half, make a nice little blackening seasoning. Got my coconut sugar, slap your mama for my salt, and I'm gonna add the rest of this. Just, you can eyeball it. But I would say add a little bit of sugar to balance out the salt. A little butter in a hot cast iron skillet, and off we go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and season up my catfish. And keep in mind, this slap your mama can be a little bit salty. So you just wanna go to a little liberal coat on each side. You'll be good to go. We're gonna drop these off in a hot cast iron skillet, 5 minutes on each side. Let's go. All right, guys, after about 5 minutes, you want to go ahead and start flipping them over. You'll notice we got a nice blackened crust. That coconut sugar is the way to go, y'all. It won't burn. Let's go in with our second batch of fish. All right, guys, after you check for doneness, you can go ahead and start taking them out. I'm gonna pair this up with some dirty rice, leftover dirty rice, actually. I'm gonna hit it with some of that $5 parsley around the plate. And then it's time to eat, baby. As always, man, I wanna thank y'all for joining me at the Rolling Grill, man. Good food, good vibes, baby. Yeah, boy.